Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. So these are wisdom oracle cards, guys. So these cards are a guidance for your this is for your career situation, this is for your relationship, Sagittarius, and this is your general guidance. So we will open that card at last. We will see what is the card for your career situation by the book. So the oracle's guidance for your career situation is, guys, today you need to do things what you feel has been done by everybody. So by the book, by the law, whatever rules you have in your work situation or universal laws of work, however you do your work. So we have laws of attraction, laws of karma, just like that. What are the rules? You have to follow those rules to reach success. That is what this oracle's guidance is. So this is not the time to reinvent yourself, go for something new. You have to follow the footsteps of other people who ever have achieved their goals in your work situation. So you have to learn to be in that structure, in your work structure. What is already working for you, you have to go for that choices, guys. That is what this guidance is about. So you have to go by your decisions, whatever has worked for you in the past. So that way you will be able to see success in your career situation, guys. You have to just follow the rules. That is what this card is about. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Blessed. Just like this card, I see here that in your relationship with this person, you may see a deep understanding, that connection with this person, which is just like a gift to you guys. You may feel this way with this person, or they may feel this way about you. So you are building that deep connection, some partnership. You have that intimacy with your person, and you have that deep understanding. That is what I see here. Compatibility is there, but whatever your situation is, whatever that good things that are happening today, guys, it is just out of the grace of the universe. So some blessings are there for you to enjoy this happiness. So you need to accept it with that gratitude and humility, guys. That is what is called for in this card. So when you do that, you will feel that thankfulness and gratitude, and that blessed feeling overwhelming your heart. So that is what this card is about, Sagittarius. So let us see what is your general guidance card, guys. Milk and honey. Again, here we see a very positive card here, Sagittarius. So things are with this card, I see here that things are going in a very happy way, guys. So whatever is supposed to be in your life, things are aligning perfectly. Your dreams, your goals, and your efforts, whatever you have put in, is beginning to give you that happy results. So you are enjoying that this situation, guys. It is time to enjoy your current time, this opportunity. Just like how milk and honey bring about that sweet mixture in life, you are seeing that goals manifesting, and your efforts and expectations, whatever, is aligning in a perfect way, guys. Giving you that gift, that nourishment. That is what I see here. Maybe in this relationship, guys, you will be sharing a sweet time with this person. Great understanding, intimate moments, romantic times. So you are spending a great time with this person. Even your thoughts and feelings, everything, it just meets perfectly, guys. You are made for each other. That is what I see here. So this relationship has a great potential, and even in your work situations, whatever opportunities that you are getting, whatever choices you are making regarding those opportunities, you have that great potential to get that fortune and prosperity, guys. So whatever choices you make now, it's leading you towards the best things in life. So you are beginning to enjoy that sweet moments right from now. So all those goals, whatever is about to manifest in future, those are that sweetness is trickling down right now, and you are able to taste it. That is what I see here, guys. And that is the oracle's guidance for you all, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all, guys. But you need not feel that self-importance, guys, because things are going so well. You have to have that humility in your heart. You have to go for that humbleness. You have to nurture love and compassion towards yourself and towards others, and you should thank the universe or for guiding you towards such great times in your life, guys. So this is also a great time for healing. So whatever, maybe for some of you all, you would have had some sickness. So this is the time you are healing, everything aligning perfectly in your work and your relationship, your personal life. Things are going in a happy way, guys, and you are healing in your situation, maybe from your past hurts, or maybe it may be a physical healing from some minor illness. And that is the oracle's guidance for your Sagittarius, and that is the reading for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.